Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this water brush set which I recently received from Amazon. They came in different sizes like small, medium and large. To be able to use a water brush you need to unscrew the handle and then fill it up with water by pouring it from a jar, tap or by using a pipette. Once you have filled up the tank with water, you need to screw back the handle firmly. To release the water, you simply need to press the tank and water is released through the brush head. And you can use this ability to activate your watercolors and to create a watercolor gradient. Okay, now let's paint something with these brushes.